Can I get the flatbread, please?
What you bring?
What?
Footlong or six?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Can I just get the Italian bread? Yeah, sorry, Italian.
Footlong?
Yeah, please.
Cheese?
The pepper jack. Oh, and can I get bacon too? Bacon.
Bacon and section, okay?
Yeah.
Pepper jack cheese?
Yeah, pepper jack. Oh, can you toast it, please? I have spinach. Yeah. Lettuce. Tomato. And then jalapeno.
Alright. Dressing?
And mustard and ranch. And that's it.
Sana?
Italian? Can I get mayo, turkey, mozzarella cheese? I knew it.
You like it toasted?
Tomato
Tomato?
and can I get a slice of avocado in there?
Avocado?
Yes.
Avocado steak.
You better go hard or what?
Yeah. Should I add jalapenos?
Yeah, you should add jalapeno.
Are you gonna add it?
Yeah, I'll add jalapeno. I'm gonna add jalapeno.
And that's it.
Chip?
Thank you.
Somewhat of a scary feeling Chuck and Colleen would be.
Because I am a gentleman. Right?
Are you ready for this challenge or what?
Yeah.
You want to make out?
No.
I'm ready for this challenge.
No.
You want to make out now?
No.
Fine. Finally home.
Gotta ring my doorbell.
What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video, and as you guys saw in the beginning, we went to Subway and we ordered a footlong each. So we're gonna do a challenge, and I invited my one and only, my girlfriend. What's your name? Her name is Esmond. Anyways, so today we're going to see who can eat half of the Subway sandwich faster, because we're gonna save the other half for later when we get hungry, because we want to enjoy it. But yeah, we're gonna see who can eat the first half the fastest. And the catch here is whoever loses has to do something. So if she loses, she has to wear one of my shirts or something that's mine tomorrow at school. But if she wins, I have to wear one of her girl clothing tomorrow. So
I mean, they're not that girly because I'm not girly.
No one asked for your opinion. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, let's do this, guys. This one's longer. This one.
You're doing the longer one?
Yeah.
I'm doing the. Which one's longer? They're both equal. Actually, why do you always do that? Put it on top of the thing. I'm gonna measure it with yours because mine was obviously longer. Yours is still longer than mine. That's okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this because this one's
Oh, and by the way,
longer.
we didn't want jalapenos because we wanted a normal sandwich that wasn't
I
spicy.
put jalapenos.
Yeah, no, the
Oh.
So we added jalapenos just for you guys, and we're gonna add some Valentina too. I'm just kidding, no, we're not, but we added jalapenos just to make this a little difficult. And are you ready?
Mhm.
Okay, what are you eating already? Alright, I guess we're starting.
Mhm.
I'm sorry.
I just ate a jalapeno.
You can't keep up.
So right now, watch carefully because my girlfriend's gonna try and cheat, and her slick little butt is gonna act like a freaking snake. Watch. You should drink some of it, it's too spicy. Just like me.
I'm ready.
I saw that, loser. I was trying to cheat. I was like, how the heck did it get that short?
Mm-mm.
So we clearly know who the winner is. It's okay to lose. You had a little small piece. Why are you adding it to your other sandwich? No, you lied, babe. You lied. Look. Look, yeah, brother's right there. Anyway, guys, you clearly saw that I won. Yeah. Just kidding, yeah, that was number.
I'm spiced out.
I'm spiced out just the way my wrist is iced out. Oh! Wasn't done.
My mom. Mom, if you're watching this video, like it. Hello. Mom. No, estoy comiendo. Tengo. Which one's Burke Jugonda. Haciendo un video para su YouTube. Haciendo un video para su YouTube. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Huh. Oh, don't open them. Mm-mm. Good night. No. What? Look what she said. Juan Esme.
My girlfriend's real name is Juan, guys. Yeah, just to let you all know. Don't make a scene.
Stop it. Babe, I just hate. Stop, I'm not gonna love you anymore. I mean it.
Okay. Anyways, guys, you guys just witnessed the demolishing of Esmeralda Suarez. Of Esme Suarez. Yep, that's right. You lost. What do you gotta say for yourself? Nothing?
Your sandwich was smaller.
Fine, let's do it again. Oh, her stomach is like a volcano. Oh.
Baby.
Anyways,
Look at all those jalapenos on this one.
she
I
is.
got the wrong sandwich because the other one I didn't really feel any jalapenos. I mean, I felt here and there.
So tomorrow she's going to be wearing a full outfit.
No, not full
A
outfit.
full outfit that I choose for her.
My clothing, right?
Of my clothing.
I don't even fit into your pants. They're too long.
So this is the aftermath since she lost. Look, she's wearing my Kappa sweater and she's wearing a knit hat just like me. Look. Sucker. With the Jordans that I bought you.
That I hardly wear. It's like my second time wearing them.
How does it feel looking like me today?
Alright.
You're still cute though. It looks good on you.
Thanks.
It looks like a little girl version of me, but a midget one. I'm just kidding. You're cute.
Thanks.
Hey, look at the camera. You're
I
cute.
am.
Anyways, guys,
I have
yeah,
to go to class.
let's go.
Okay. Stop.
Damn. You look tasty.
Stop. Yeah.
You want to take off the hat?
No, I don't like it. My hair is gonna get really tangled.
Why?
It's windy.
Oh, just leave it on.
Georgie isn't here.
Put it back on now. Put it on right now.
No, I'm gonna do a bun.
Put it on right now.
No.
Fine, I'm gonna keep it. Bye. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, this is my girlfriend Esme.
Ew.
What?
You just like licked all over my.
I didn't even lick you.
No. I mean,
And,
I was just a bite away.
and
Subscribe, share, comment, and like.
yes, yeah, she said, like, subscribe, and comment down below,
Oh,
and share the channel share this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed.
Bye. No, not yet.
See you guys later.
Bye.